How to cross-play Rainbow Six Siege Xbox and PC. Let's find out if that is possible. Here I'm at the official Ubisoft Help Center, and if I search for crossplay, there is a specific article for crossplay and cross progression in Rainbow Six Siege. So, over here in this article, it tells us that Rainbow Six Siege supports crossplay between PlayStation and Xbox consoles or between PC and Luna. So, furthermore, they also say that it is not possible to matchmake between PC and console platforms. So, what this means is that right now, in this moment, cross progression between platforms of Rainbow Six Siege, you cannot do crossplay between PC and console. So this video is to inform you guys that this is currently not possible. It might be possible in the future. So to know about that, you need to come to the official Ubisoft Help Center to get the updates. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.